minus 5 comma 4 such that the portion of it between the axes is divided by the point M into 2 equal halves. Is a lovely question. Right? So the straight line passing through the point minus 5 comma 4. I'm going to draw the axis like this. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the line passing through this minus 5 comma 4 such that the portion of it between the axes is divided by the point M into 2 equal halves. The line could be like this, like this, like this, but portion of it between the axes is divided by the point M into 2 equal halves. So if it were like this, then the part between the axes would be here. This point won't be dividing it into 2 equal halves. This second line tells us that the line is really like this. Right, so we call this point as P. This is A, this is B. We are told the portion between the axes is divided by the point M into 2 equal halves. This is equal to this. This point is minus 5 comma 4. Point here should be h comma 0. It's on the x-axis. Point here should be 0 comma k on the y-axis. Anytime you're getting questions with coordinate geometry where there's a line cutting the x-axis, circle cutting the y-axis, any point on the x-axis h comma 0, any point on the y-axis 0 comma k. The fact that we know half the coordinates is very powerful. Right? Now this is equal to this, or effectively this point, I've marked it as P, the point M, is the midpoint of this line. So we use midpoint formula. This point should be h plus 0 by 2, h by 2, 0 plus k by 2, k by 2. So it is h by 2 comma k by 2, or h by 2 is minus 5, or h is minus 10. K by 2 is 4, or k is 8, or there's a y-intercept of 8 and x-intercept of minus 10. Okay. We need to find the equation. Minus 10 comma 0 sits in this, 0 comma 10 sits on this, and so we need to, the equation would be x by minus 10, x by x-intercept plus y by y-intercept is equal to 1. Getting an 80 somewhere, so multiply by 80 so that we get an 80 there. This is 80 minus 8x plus 10y equal to 80. 10y minus 8x equal to 80. That's this line. And minus 10 comma 0 sits on this, 0 comma 8 sits on this. This both satisfy this. 10x minus 8y equal to. Idea here is that the point M is the midpoint of the segment AB, where A has coordinates h comma 0, B has coordinates 0 comma k.